The Unexpected Visitor. In a small town nestled between rolling hills, the Johnson family lived in a cozy house filled with laughter and love. Every Sunday, they gathered around the dining table for their traditional family dinner, where stories were shared and memories were made. This particular Sunday, however, was different. As they prepared the meal, a knock echoed through the house. Curiosity sparked in the children's eyes as their mother, Sarah, opened the door. Standing there was a stranger, an elderly man with a gentle smile and twinkling eyes. "Hello, I'm Mr. Thompson," he said. "I used to live in this neighborhood many years ago." The family welcomed him in, intrigued by his presence. Mr. Thompson shared stories of the town's past, painting vivid pictures of the adventures he had as a young boy. The children listened intently, their imaginations running wild. They learned about the old oak tree where he and his friends once played, and the river where he caught fish with his father. As the evening wore on, Mr. Thompson revealed a surprising connection. He had been best friends with Sarah's father. Sarah, touched by the unexpected link, invited him to join their family dinner. For the first time, they set an extra plate, making room for the man who had once shared their family's history. That night, laughter filled the air as the Johnsons and Mr. Thompson bonded over shared memories. The unexpected visitor had reminded them of the importance of family ties, both old and new. From that day on, Mr. Thompson became a cherished part of their Sunday dinners, proving that family can extend beyond bloodlines.